Do you have one of this? And we all have one of this. And what is it all has to do with the video of pictures I'm showing it to you saying, do you have one of these? Stay tuned in the video and you will find out. I just got this package from the Amazon and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you. This all-out hike compressor, portable compressor, it comes with your USB, comes with the air tube connector and your basketball inject with the air filler, inflator, and any other attachments you need with, I'm not sure what that one is. If you guys know what this is, let me know on that. But this little guy right here has enough power to inflate this car tire right here, all in a single charge. Eight tires, guys. Oops, can I do that? 8 tires in this little gadget from here, all in a single charge. I will go ahead and demonstrate for you how this thing works. So I have a really bad tire right here. It just needs a ton of air here. Can you see that? Look at that. It needs lots of air, and I want to go bike riding, so I will go ahead and demonstrate you guys for you, and we can go ahead and do bike riding together. I cannot believe how small and tiny this thing is. I mean, it's the length of my hand, and the thickness is about probably 2.5 inches, and it's so compact. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this thing inflates this bicycle tire along with the car tire, and everything has, whatever it has to do with the air pumping will inflate. And so, as you guys saw, I just opened the package up, and I have not charged anything. And so it has a little bit tiny of a power left, and I really want to go bicycling right now. I got to find out what is this PSI it is for recommended for this tire here, and it says right here 30 PSI. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this button. Okay, I do need to hold on to it. I'm gonna set it to 30 PSI. Okay, it's set. Okay, and then I will go ahead and screw this right here. Okay, alright, go in there. Okay, it tells me I have just 4, not 30 recommended, just 4. So let's go ahead and pump this sucker up. Woohoo! Look at that! Oh! It did an auto shut off. Can you believe that? That is so cool. Not bad for like around 21 or 22 bucks for this little guy right here. This little guy did a wonderful job. I am really impressed on that. All-out hike portable compressor. This is what it looks like. Look at this. And this right here, when I did a compressing air in my bike, it did not create any heat. So maybe this is good. Okay, so let's go ahead and stuff this one back in again. Okay, and then let's go ahead and push in this bag, this little USB. I'm gonna put this little accessories for air pumping. Okay, and then I'm gonna tighten it up, do a little thing like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my side bag like that. Not bad for having a little portable compressor, right? All right, let's go for a ride and see how it does. good sign, right?
That's mine. It was not. It didn't seem like it. So.
Well, that one is really wet.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, they're slobbering over the bananas.
Oh, is that what it is?
Drooling, yeah.
Oh.
All right, here. Yeet. Here you go, bud. Whoa. Did he chase you away?
Portable air compressor did a really wonderful job on that, and it's really good to have something emergency situation that you're able to inflate. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. You guys are wonderful, and please continue to support me by watching, sharing, and making a comment for me. And until then, I see you guys next time on next video.